Hi! In front of me is iPad 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, open an app called Voice Memos and click on Allow Once or Allow while using the app. I will go with Allow while using the app, so now I can click on this red button to start my recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on this left button over here. If you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Then click on the current name of your recording to change it. And when you're done, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Now, if you want to delete your recording, tap on this pin icon over here. And now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!